Hello again YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I'm currently working on these two wagons, and in this video I take a look at the builds and just talk about what's left for them. Alright, so here's the first wagon. For now it's just mocked up. I made sure the wheels were straight, it rolls straight, everything's centered, sturdy enough for me to jump around in. But I still want to add all the details and stuff. Maybe a tow hook. I know I want rails on it for sure along the sides, but maybe build a trailer with it as well. So I just wanted to make sure it was sturdy, the wheels pointed straight, the steering was centered, handle was extended, like all the basic hard stuff, and now I could just add all the details. So it's done for now. Let's take a look at the pedal car. Alright, if you saw the last pedal car build, I used a lot of the same elements, but I wanted this one to be completely different. So I wanted it to steer just like a pedal car would. The other one was kind of a pivot push type wagon, but I wanted steering on this one. And I'm using the same type of steering that I did for my other wagon builds. I'll link up to the steering video in the description section below, so check that out if you want to see how I end up to steer this. But you can see where I sectioned the wagon and flipped all that stuff around to make tubs and stuff. So this gives you a little bit of a better idea of how I section the wagon. And it was a perfect fit. The other pedal car was really small, so this allowed me to use a full-size tub, so that was cool. And it's low. And just like that, we've come to the end of the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, I ask that you go down, smash that like button. Like I said, I'm still working on these and they'll be done relatively soon. Stay tuned for that. This is another vacuum roadster that I'm also working on finishing up. I left the switch on this, so stay tuned if you want to see what happens with that one. A lot of projects coming up in the next couple weeks, so definitely subscribe for more videos if you're interested to see where we're going with this. More pedal cars, more wagons, sculptural stuff, furniture, anything, everything. See you guys in the next video. Bye.